Welcome to Deutsch Liebe. Today, we would be understanding the pronunciations of fruits in German language. So let's begin. The banana. The banana. And now the plural form, die Bananen. The bananas. Der Apfel. The apple. Plural form, die Äpfel. The apples. Die Wassermelone. The watermelon. Now the plural form, die Wassermelonen. The watermelons. Die Orange. The orange. Die Orangen. The oranges. Die Birne. The pear. Die BIRNEN. The pears. Die Traube. The grape. The plural form, die Trauben. The grapes. Die Ananas. The pineapple. Plural form, die Ananas. The pineapples. This was part 1 of fruits. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Deutsch Liebe. Until next time, keep practicing.